Oh hey guys, welcome back to the Cal Disaster. What you guys see here, it's all the parts that we've been waiting for this past 2 weeks, and it's finally arrived, and I'm so excited to go over and show you guys what we got here. So 33s by 13.5 Toyota Open Country, pretty good brand. I didn't want to go too bigger wheels. I think the 33s by 13.5 will be perfect set for this truck. Here I got the level kit for the front. We're gonna throw that in probably today. We're gonna be working on it, putting the lift. Make sure you guys watch until the end. So we got the pump for the airbag suspension. Of course, I'll show you guys everything how to set up. It's pretty cool. You're able to pretty much adjust the pressure in the bags. You figure that out. I feel this box is a rim, but I'll open that later. All of these boxes are rims. This, I'm not sure, like the little parts. This is some filters and oil change. I bought it. That's the front bumper that we're going to be putting on as well for the front. I showed you guys the last video. Just a bunch of crap, you know. We got the Fox shocks for the lift since we're not going too high. But I just decided to go and get a, brand new shocks since we're adding a lot of modification to this truck. Oh, what was that? Let's see what's here. I haven't checked none of this stuff because it literally arrived like yesterday. Oh, that's what I was gonna show you guys. So as you guys noticed, I threw the bumper. I don't really care because we're gonna be bedlining them. All the bumpers, my front and back bumper is gonna be bedlined with this kind of paint. It's yeah, they do give a gun. So you have a gun, you connect it with the air hose and just spray your truck. Man, I'm not gonna do the truck. I'll probably do the bumpers only. This is just the stuff. So this is the rim, pretty nice. It's 12.5, and I think it's 20. Yeah, it's 20-inch rim. 12.5. We're gonna make this thing going. The whole point today, we're gonna be cutting a lot of stuff. We're gonna have to get rid of this frame. We're gonna have to get rid of a bunch of brackets. So I'm not gonna be talking. I'm just gonna put a fast forward and just time lapse all this thing. So let's go. It's a day 2. We currently cut out all the stock brackets off. As you guys see, we had a couple brackets there, a couple brackets here that was holding the lift spring. Everything's over there. It's gonna go in the trash, or whoever wants it, you guys can have it. Today we're gonna be focusing installing all the brackets. It's pretty much gonna go here. This is first time doing this, and I'm not sure if we're gonna able to even do it. Hey, we're here. We already cut out everything, so now it's the only thing to install. Let's do it. Okay guys, so it's gonna be it for today. We finally got the bags in, everything installed. We spent a lot of time drilling things in because everything's just custom made. A lot of stuff was not the way it needs to be, so we had to drill it out our own way. But everything is in. This is pretty much gonna give us a stock and 4-inch bigger, so better ride and everything. We got all the brackets custom designed and we just installed them. Everything took us like 5 hours. Whatever you guys saw, 5 hours took us everything. We still need to install the track bar that's gonna hold the differential, but everything looks nice. Like you guys see all these bolts, so much work, but at the end of the day I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's gonna be it for today. Next video we're gonna show you guys how we're gonna be putting the wheels. So this is the rim, how we're gonna be putting the bed, and I'm so excited to get this thing actually on the road and show you guys how smooth it drives. Like so much reviews about these bags, people are loving them, so I want to test it. Then for today, make sure you guys subscribe down below. I don't want you guys to miss out on any of our videos. And if you guys didn't follow my Instagram, my brother's Instagram, I'm gonna link it down below right here right now, so go follow all of us. And we are doing a giveaway, probably gonna do AirPods once we hit 300 subscribers. So once we hit 300 subscribers, I'm gonna go on the app, I'm gonna choose one of the winner, and I'm gonna send you guys the AirPods. Make sure you guys subscribe down below, and yeah, you guys are gonna get the AirPods, and you guys will see this whole building up from the day one. All right, peace out guys.